What is up, you guys? It's Joelle and welcome back for another video. It has been a super long time since I've done a makeup video, so I thought it'd be fun to just do a get ready with me, like Easter edition. Easter, spring time vibes just in general. Easter is coming up next week though, so just thought it'd be nice to do a little get ready with me and show you the look that I'll be sporting on my way to church with my family. For those of you guys who are new here, welcome. My name's Joelle. I do all kinds of videos surrounding what it means to have a healthy, wholesome, and empowered lifestyle. If you'd like to subscribe and join the J team, where no one's a bench warmer and everyone's a playmaker, feel free to do so down below. Turn on bell notifications so that you're notified every time that I upload. But yeah, since I have 20 minutes before I'm supposed to meet someone, let's just get started. I have all my makeup products here in this bag. Shout out the Skim. I should zoom in so you guys can see what I'm doing. Is this still focused now? I don't know. This begins the very first voiceover I've done in quite some time, so have some grace with me, but I'm just priming my face right now with my Milk Blur Stick. It's an awesome primer, and I want to have a really fresh face, so I'm just using this CoverGirl BB cream, dotting it all over my face and blending it in with a beauty blender. And yes, I know I missed a little spot right by my chin. It's super annoying. Please just don't look at it the rest of the video. Also, all the products that I use will be linked in the description for your convenience. And to prime my eyes, I'm just using a NYX eye base in my skin tone, the nude color. And this will just really help all our little eyeshadows pop, you know what I'm saying? And next I'm taking this MAC quad that I've literally had since 8th grade. Don't be disgusted, please, I still use it all the time. And there's this light purple mauve shade, and I'm just dusting it all over both my eyelids. And I know it doesn't look particularly purple, but I swear it is in real life. And next I'm taking Marc Jacobs The Lolita palette, and I'm using a pink shimmery shade that's really cool and holographic almost, where it looks gold in the pan, but then you put it on and it's magically pink. I'm using my finger just to put that all over the center and lower part of my eyelids, just to bring some light in. Also, please just ignore my wet hair this entire video, because you guessed it, I try to be hygienic sometimes. And then I'm using the glitteriest shadow in the palette just to highlight my inner corners. This palette also has an amazingly creamy, rich white matte shadow, and I'm just using that to highlight my brow bone. Going back into my 8th grade MAC palette, I'm taking the darker, slightly shimmery purple color, and I'm just throwing that on the outer corner and V of my eyelids. Doesn't have to be super perfect because we're about to blend it all out later. God truly does love makeup users because he gave us the blending brush, which allows us to make any look cohesive and intentional. Since we're going for a really soft spring look, I'm just using a brown eyeliner. This is Milk Makeup's Shadow Liner in VP, characterized by its funky chisel highlighter-like tip, and I'm just lining my upper and lower lash lines and blending it out with my finger on the lower lash line. Then being scary with my eyelash curler to prep my eyes for L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. This stuff is the bomb, you guys. Try it. It's like Too Faced's Better Than Sex mascara, I believe. Similar wand shape, but it is just so voluminous. I'm so about it right now. And honestly, I don't think I can count how many times I hit my nose with my mascara wand when I put on mascara. Wow, cute, Joelle. I'm just using a NYX brow gel to fill in my brows because don't want the super harsh penciled in brows for a fresh faced look like this. I think using cream products for spring summer looks is really nice for that kind of dewy fresh faced look, so I'm just using my Milk Makeup contour stick to contour my cheekbones and my jawline and just blending it out with this Tarte contour brush. And I really enjoy this cream contour just because I feel like it's a great color to not look orangey and just have a really natural contour. And I love this Real Cheeky Party palette from Benefit. I know, such fun names, and I'm swirling Sugar Bomb like a crazy person to just give my face some warmth, since Sugar Bomb is a really nice, subtle peachy color. Benefit What's Up is one of my favorite cream highlighters by far. It just has such a perfect golden champagne-y shade. So I am just highlighting my cheekbones, realizing I'm hitting pan, sadly, and then I'm gonna highlight my nose bridge and the very tip of my nose. And to finish off the look, I'm just slapping on some of this L'Oreal Nude Infallible Lip Gloss. Well, this is the final look. Congrats, you made it. And now you know how to accomplish this very simple and clean, but still glamorous spring look. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little easy tutorial for just a super fresh but still colorful and warm spring look. And again, if you have not yet subscribed, feel free to do so down below. And if you'd like to see more from me on a regular basis, you can be sure to follow all my social medias, which are always linked down below, just thrown right here for your convenience. Let me know what you guys thought of the look. It's really like simple and mellow, but there's still little pops of color, which I really enjoy. And I just thought it'd be good to welcome in spring with some pinks and purples and all of that. Also, really quick, I filmed that in 15 minutes, so it'll probably take you guys about 10 minutes because you have to keep checking if you're in focus when you're doing it. So super easy to follow, and please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy makeup videos. I know I haven't done them in a while, but I love makeup. Makeup's so fun, so I'll do more of them if you guys enjoyed them, maybe even if you guys don't enjoy them. Anyways, I'm gonna go meet someone in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna head out. This was a very real get ready with me. I'm literally getting ready to go. But yeah, thank you for watching. Love you. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.